leche adentro. Apuntan, ¿sí? Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we found a leak in the system, and it didn't have a service valve on there, and within time they start to deteriorate from the inside, and the problem that happens is the inside doesn't get any cooling. So we've got some soap bubbles. You try it one more time. Watch. This is where it goes connected. See the bubbles coming out. So going to replace that and get another happy customer. Get the place cooling here. Okay. Call us for AC heating and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Also on YouTube videos, ABC Austin Service Express. Okay. See you guys in the next video. Bye.